Well, it's another beautiful day here in San Juan, Puerto Rico. Actually, I'm in Carolina, if anyone's counting. But man, look at that view from the balcony. It's so hard to fully appreciate how beautiful it is unless you visit. But man, is that beautiful today. The weather is just fantastic. Yesterday was rainy, today it's amazing. It's a bright, sunny day, and it's going to be a bright and sunny day tomorrow. In fact, tomorrow is going to be one of the brighter, most sunniest days because tomorrow we are unleashing on the world No Bad Days. It's going to be available everywhere in the world tomorrow. No Bad Days, my book, which looks like this, is going to be available everywhere tomorrow. So April 25th, Tuesday morning, it's time to buy the book. And the reason we're waiting for tomorrow to buy, because yes, you could go pre-order it on Amazon now, and if you need to do that, go do it. If you don't think you'll remember to buy the book tomorrow, please just pre-order it now. It helps us. But we're going to rocket ship this thing. No Bad Days. We're going to rocket ship it to #1 on Amazon in at least one category, maybe two, maybe three. Who knows? Maybe overall #1. Well, that seems like a stretch. Here's the thing. The more sales we get Tuesday morning, the better. Because Amazon, unlike some of the other bestseller status places, calculates bestseller status multiple times per day. So April 25th, 9 a.m., 8 a.m., 7 a.m., 10 a.m., April 25th in the morning, buy the book and buy a couple copies. Tell your friends to buy copies. Share about it on your social medias. And do this because it's important to get this message out. I've had multiple people reach out to me and tell me that they've given up bad days because of my content, because of my book. People that have read it and said it changed their lives. The beta readers that love it. And then I've got the freaking endorsements. The endorsements are insane. Listen to this. Have you guys heard of Brandon Turner from Bigger Pockets fame? Jeff is amazing. He taught me a lot about what it means to be happy despite your circumstances. This book is going to change a lot of lives. That's what Brandon Turner said. Or check out what Frank McKinney, 8-time best-selling author, says. Since meeting Jeff Holst, I've yet to have a bad day. Yes, he's had that kind of influence on my life, and I'm certain his new book, No Bad Days, will have the same impact on yours. Imagine if these guys are even partially correct, and you cut back your bad days by 50%, 60%, 70% less bad days. What would that do to your life? What would that do to the people around you's life? And imagine if every time somebody gets the book and learns to give up bad days, they taught one more person how to do it. And that's what happens. I know this for sure because once you start feeling this positivity, once you start living an extraordinary life without regret, without bad days, you want to share it with everyone. We're going to create a ripple effect, and we're going to change not just your life, the reader's life, the social media followers of Jeff Holst's life, but we're going to change the lives of the people that know you and other people that read the book. And we're going to do that by getting it to be #1 on Amazon because that will force the algorithm to push it out to other people that aren't watching this channel right now. So tomorrow morning, buy the book. Do it for me, do it for the world, do it for your friends and family, but most importantly, do it for yourself. You owe it to yourself to live the best possible version of your last life ever.